as of today, we had a total of 2,287 families, equivalent to 6,821 individuals who were affected in 183 barangays of the province. We have a total of 1,078 barangays around Batangas, at ito po ang yung mga severely affected areas ng aming probinsya dulot ng bagyong Karina.
Pero wala na pong roadblocks, landslides, debris po, wala na po, clear na rin po?
Meron pa po kaming landslide or road closures sa Nasugbu. At may mga lansangan pa rin na putikan o madulas dahil makapal po ang burak o yung putik galing sa mga palayan o tubuhan.